Chatbot Full Course 2023? Certainly. Here's a detailed breakdown of each module in the Hypothetical Mastering ChatGPT, a comprehensive guide course. Module 1, Introduction to ChatGPT and NLP. Lesson 1.1, Introduction to ChatGPT and its capabilities. 1. Overview of ChatGPT's architecture and capabilities. 3. Understanding the difference between GPT models and ChatGPT. 5. Use cases and applications of ChatGPT. Lesson 1.2, Fundamentals of Natural Language Processing, NLP. 1. Basic concepts of NLP, tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, syntactic parsing, etc. 3. Pre-processing text data for NLP tasks. 5. Introduction to libraries like NLTK and SparseI for NLP. Lesson 1.3, Setting up the development environment. 1. Installing necessary libraries and dependencies, for example, OpenAI Python library. 3. Obtaining API keys and authentication for ChatGPT. 5. Configuring the development environment for working with ChatGPT. Module 2, Interacting with ChatGPT. Lesson 2.1, Making API requests to ChatGPT. 1. Exploring OpenAI's API and understanding endpoints. 3. Formatting API requests with appropriate parameters, temperature, max tokens, etc. 5. Handling API responses and error cases. Lesson 2.2, Formatting input prompts effectively. 1. Writing prompts for different types of tasks, for example, questions, prompts for creative writing, etc. 3. Strategies for eliciting specific information from ChatGPT. 5. Experimenting with prompt engineering techniques. Lesson 2.3, Handling responses and post-processing. 1. Parsing and extracting relevant information from ChatGPT's responses. 3. Post-processing techniques to refine and improve generated content. 5. Error handling and troubleshooting common response issues. Module 3, Customizing responses. Lesson 3.1, Fine-tuning ChatGPT for specific tasks. 1. Overview of fine-tuning process and its benefits. 3. Collecting and preparing a dataset for fine-tuning. 5. Implementing fine-tuning with ChatGPT. Lesson 3.2, Creating custom prompts for better results. 1. Designing prompts that guide ChatGPT towards desired outputs. 3. Techniques for creating prompts that provide context and contextually rich responses. 5. Iterative refinement of prompts based on feedback. Lesson 3.3, Dealing with ambiguous or unclear queries. 1. Strategies for handling ambiguous user queries effectively. 3. Techniques for seeking clarifications from users when needed. 5. Implementing context-aware responses to improve understanding. Module 4, Advanced Techniques. Lesson 4.1, Context Management and Conversation Threading. 1. Managing context in multi-turn conversations. 3. Techniques for carrying over information from previous interactions. 5. Implementing conversation state management. Lesson 4.2, Implementing user-specific personas. 1. Personalizing ChatGPT's responses based on user-defined personas. 3. Techniques for simulating different personalities and tones. 5. Balancing personalization with ethical considerations. Lesson 4.3, Multi-turn conversations and state management. 1. Handling complex interactions with multiple turns. 3. Techniques for maintaining conversation coherence and flow. 5. Implementing context switching and memory mechanisms. Module 5, Applications of ChatGPT. Lesson 5.1, Building Chatbots and Virtual Assistants. 1. Design principles for creating effective chatbots. 3. Integrating ChatGPT into chatbot frameworks. 5. testing and iterating on Chatbot performance. Lesson 5.2, Content Generation for Websites or Blogs. 1. Automating content creation using ChatGPT. 3. Strategies for generating engaging and SEO-friendly content. 5. Incorporating generated content into content management systems. Lesson 5.3, Drafting emails, articles, and creative writing. 1. Using ChatGPT as a writing assistant for various types of content. 3. Techniques for generating coherent and persuasive writing. 5. Reviewing and editing content produced with ChatGPT. Module 6, Ethical Considerations and Bias. Lesson 6.1, Understanding the Ethical Implications of AI. 1. Exploring ethical challenges in AI and NLP. 3. Case studies on AI gone wrong and its impact on users. 5. Responsible AI development and deployment practices. Lesson 6.2, Mitigating biases in ChatGPT responses. 1. Identifying and addressing biases in AI-generated content. 3. Strategies for reducing bias in prompts and responses. 5. Evaluating and testing models for fairness. Lesson 6.3, Ensuring responsible AI usage in applications. 1. Implementing guidelines and best practices for ethical AI usage. 3. Establishing transparency and user consent in AI applications. 5. Monitoring and addressing ethical concerns in real-world scenarios. Module 7, Project and Capstone. Lesson 7.1, Developing a practical project using ChatGPT. 1. Choosing a project topic and defining objectives. 3. Implementing ChatGPT in the project with appropriate techniques. 5. Iterative development, testing, and refinement. Lesson 7.2, Peer review and feedback on projects. 1. Peer evaluation of projects within the course community. 3. Providing constructive feedback and suggestions for improvement. 5. Iterative refinement based on peer feedback. Lesson 7.3, Final presentations and wrap-up. 1. Presentation of projects to the class. 3. Reflection on the learning journey and key takeaways. 5. Resources for further exploration and continued learning. Evaluation and assessment. 1. Quizzes and assignments after each module. 3. Participation in discussions and forums. 5. Project presentation and documentation. Recommended resources. 1. Additional reading materials, research papers, and articles on NLP and ChatGPT. Grading. 1. Quizzes/assignments, 40%. 3. Project, 30%. 5. Participation, 20%. 7. Final presentation, 10%. Conclusion. This course provides a comprehensive understanding of ChatGPT, enabling students to leverage its capabilities for a variety of applications while being mindful of ethical considerations. Through practical projects and hands-on exercises, students will gain the confidence to use ChatGPT effectively in real-world scenarios. Thanks for watching.